Welcome back and to Miss B Maths Teacher channel, and let's continue with cosine rule part B. So this is question 3. So in the previous video we have done 2 questions, so now I'm gonna do 2 more. So the first one we're gonna do it's in descriptive form, and it says find the smallest angle of a triangle with sides 11, 13 and 17 centimeters. So the first thing that I will do is to draw triangle and label it. So label it. So I'm gonna have 11 here and 13 and 17. So, and we need to find the smallest angle. So that's pretty much what we're after, smallest angle. So please note that the smallest angle is opposite the shortest side. Smallest, I'm just gonna write here smallest angle is opposite the shortest side. So in this case, that's going to be, this is 11, so it's here. So opposite 11, so is this angle here. So now that we do know what angle we're going to try to find, let's have this, rule, cosine rule. Cos A is equal to B to the power of 2 plus C to the power of 2. Take away A to the power of 2, then 2BC. So A angle is here, so is this one here, it's A, and then opposite side, this is A as well, and the other 2 sides we can just label B and C, or C, B doesn't make any difference. So let's start substitution. Cos A is equal to B is 13 to the power of 2 plus C, which is 17 to the power of 2, take away A to the power of 2, it's 11 to the power of 2, over 2 times B, times 13 times C, which is 17. And so we may simplify this. So to be honest with you, I don't know exactly what we're gonna get. Let me just, I'm not gonna even calculate that one by itself. So what I'm gonna do, because I have mentioned this, how I pretty much, I don't simplify this area. Even though this, should give us maybe a nice fraction, but that's fine. So we are interested in finding this angle, so A. So to find angle A is equal to cosine inverse, so, and then all of this. So I'm going to use this. You don't have to, because this one may even give you a nice answer. So, but I'm just gonna use all of it together in the brackets here, because it's gonna give me the best approximation. So this is the exact value. And now, in order to find this angle, so it's gonna use calculator, and using for cos inverse, it's shift cos. That's cos inverse. Open the brackets, and then fraction, and then you just do what you have to do. So I'm just gonna focus on this, and I mean I can talk, that's fine. So just making sure I have everything. So times so equal to, yep, I have the answer. Angle is equal to 40.3199. So that's pretty much, angle is equal to 40.32 degrees. So this one is the smallest angle. So this one here. And if you need to find the other one, you can just use the same rule to find one more. So for example, if you want, you can find this one here, so using the same rule. But then in order to find the third one, like this one here, there's no need to use cosine rule. You can just use the sum of all angles in triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So that will be the easiest way. Okay, now let's move to next page and another example. So example 4. So this one is pretty much about What's this one here? Okay, it's about proving. So we need to prove something. So it says here that triangle is given. So triangle is given. I'm just gonna sketch this one. This is triangle. So this side is 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, x centimeters, and one angle is given 60 degrees. So we have to show, so it's part A, for example, show that x to the power of 2 take away 6x take away 13 is equal to 0. And you might think like, really, what do you want me to do? So, but now we can see here that we have 2 sides given and another unknown side and one angle given. So pretty much it looks like this. So we do know that if we have 2 sides given and an included angle, so we can use this, formula, finding the other unknown side. So but that would be, using the rule, it would be this one here. But now what I'm gonna do, it's pretty much like this. So opposite side, so which is 7 to the power of 2 is equal to other 2 sides, 6 to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2, take away 2 times 6 times x and times cos of that included angle. So now this is just following cosine rule when you need to find unknown side. And now to find x is pretty much we're gonna rearrange a little bit, so or maybe simplifying. So let me just use again another color. So that's gonna be 49 equal to 36 plus x to the power of 2 take away 12x, and cos of 60 is half. It's gonna be half. So okay, that has been like simplified, and it's easier now. So 12 and 2, it's just gonna be negative 6x, and it's like, ooh, okay, looks like similar to what we have to show. Let's rearrange a little bit. X to the power of 2 take away 6x plus 36, and moving 49 to the same side as all of this is going to make it negative 49 equal to 0, and just simplifying 36 take away 49 should give you negative 13. So pretty much you have shown what you have been asked to do. So shown is equal to that. Sometimes you have to calculate b, so like find the exact values of x. So here I would use Graphis Calculator to solve it. So, and you can do that and see how many solutions you're gonna have. If you do have 2 plus minus, you're just going to choose a positive one because we're talking about length, so we're not going to have negative, but I'll let you find the values of x. So, and yes, that would be all for cosine rule. So, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon, or I'll talk to you soon. Bye.